Hi there! So Redmi has sent us this amazing box packaging that says Buds for Fun. As you open it up, right on the top you can see the Redmi Buds 3 Lite. Some key specifications mentioned here, image of the earbuds, manufacturing details, the regular Redmi box packaging. But the fun thing is they've actually provided a denim case for the earbuds. Magnetic denim case, really nice. The buds will go in here and you can actually use it as a keychain or hang it on your backpack or on your band loop. Really handy. I really like this case. Oh, towards the back it says Redmi Buds for Fun. So let's quickly open it up. Right on the top are the earbuds themselves, the user manual, and finally 2 extra pair of earbuds and 1 pair of wings, which is going to be helpful if you're going to wear these earbuds during workouts. So let's have a closer look at the earbuds. Now you get this plastic build with a nice, very compact design. The earbuds with the case weigh just 35.5 grams, which makes it really light and comfortable to carry in your pocket. Now towards the back, you can see there is the Redmi engraved, very nice. USB-C port at the bottom. Let's open it up. Okay, wow. So the good thing is that you can actually open the case even with one hand, something I always prefer when it comes to TWS earphones. Really nice, solid hinge. Let's remove the earbuds. And finally, there you go. So you can see that they come with the Buds design, as the name says, silicone ear tips. You can spot the charging terminals. Also comes with the left and right logo on them, L and R. If you look on the other side, ooh, nice glossy finish. And these come with touch gestures, so you can change tracks, pause tracks, everything done from here. Now each of these earbuds weighs about just 4 grams, which means they're going to be very comfortable even when worn for long hours. So to pair them, you go into the settings, Bluetooth options, scroll all the way down, open the lid and just remove the earbuds from the case. And you'll see Redmi Buds 3 show up. Click pair, and there you go, you're done. Alright, talking about the fit. Well, as you can see, I'm already wearing both of them and I can tell you that they snug in really nicely, and thanks to that Buds design, they also cancel out most of the ambient sound. They're very comfortable and they provide a really good grip in your ears. They aren't going to fall off anytime easily. It comes with IP54 rating, so it's protected from dust, mild splashes and sweat. So you can wear it at the gym or for a run without worrying about any kind of water damage. Then this tiny case houses a 315 mAh battery that will provide 18 hours of juice to these earphones, which I think is quite nice considering these are such compact TWS earphones. Now each of these earbuds houses a 36 mAh battery that should last for about 4 to 5 hours on a single charge. Also we get Bluetooth 5.2 on these, so it will provide stable connectivity and better battery efficiency. Then we also get touch gestures where you tap on top of them to control the music. So tap and hold on either of these for 2 seconds to pause or resume playback. Then double tap on either of these for the next track. Triple tap on either of these to trigger the voice assistant, Google Assistant for Android and Siri if it's connected to an iPhone. Then tap and hold together to enable gaming mode. Now surprisingly, there is no control to go to the previous track. Of course, unless you trigger the voice assistant and ask it to take you to the previous track. But that's something I wouldn't like to do so much, so keep in mind. Talking about gaming mode, well, we did test it first without the gaming mode. And I'm sure now you can notice the lag. Let's turn on the gaming mode and test. Now gaming mode has been turned on. Let's test. Oh wow, that's a really noticeable difference. Barely you can notice any lag. It's great for casual gaming. Then it comes with environmental noise cancellation for phone calls, which basically helps you to cancel out the external sound around you for clearer phone call experience. Time for a demo. So the audio you're hearing right now is from the Redmi Earbuds 3 Lite's microphone. And this is how it's going to sound to the opposite person when you use these for a phone call. Indoors, I believe it's quite clear. However, outdoors, it did capture a lot of ambient sound. But you're the best judge. Write down in the comments and let me know how's the sound quality. Alright, finally coming to the sound quality. So these Redmi Buds 3 Lite come with 6mm drivers that provide really nice bassy sound, which I'm sure a lot of you really love. The mids are okay, but the highs and instrument separation are still very well maintained. The Redmi Buds 3 Lite are priced at just $1,499. If you like good bassy sound in a compact design, then you can definitely opt for this one. You can buy it right now. I'll leave the links below in the description. If you like to buy one or even two, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.